It's on my phone.
Literally, screw it. I ain't leaving my phone in here. If people are getting back into that classroom before I do, fuck it. I ain't leaving my phone in there.
Yeah, yeah.